Let's learn some basic Linux commands which you can run in your terminal. So to open your terminal, go to your main menu. This is your main menu where your applications are shown, and type terminal here to search it. This is your terminal, and I also told you to add it to your favorites so that you can access it quickly. So for that, right click here and click here. This is where you will add it to your favorites. Since I've already added it, therefore it's telling me to remove it, right? So I'm not having that option. Otherwise, if you haven't added it yet, you will see an option here, add to your favorites, to do that. So why am I telling you to do that? Because even if it's closed, you don't have to go here every time. You can just, this is where you can see it, right? This is your taskbar, you can see it here. So you can just click here and your terminal will open. All right, now let's start. So first of all, let's start with a calendar command. So if you want to see the calendar of some particular year, let's say 2020, we will write cal space 2020 and we will press enter. So here you can see your calendar. You can even increase the size of your terminal if you want. This is your calendar of the whole year 2020. And we also can customize it and we can see the calendar of some particular year. So for that, we will write cal and then the name of your month. So let's say we can write oct for October and we can write 2020 here. So for that, you can see the calendar for the year 2020 and the month October. And you can also write just write the number of that month. So we can write 10 instead of oct. You can write 10 because October is the 10th month, right? And we can write this command and you will get the same output. So this is how you see a calendar in your terminal. Now let's see if you want to display something in your terminal, how to do that. So the command is very simple. If you want to print something on the screen, right? So if you want to do some hello world program, hello world string or whatever. So if you want to do that, you will write echo and then you will write your string. So let's say we will write hello world here and we will press enter. So that is displayed here. Now this echo works in two ways. So the first way is that I don't write this inverted comma, right? So let's see how will it print if I don't write the inverted commas. So echo hello world and I press enter and whatever I wrote here is printed here. So it works like this successfully, right? But the issue is that if I want to print something which is multi-line, right? It's more than two lines, more than one line, sorry. It is more than one line. So maybe I want to write hello, how are you? And I want to write I am fine in the next line. So I press enter for that. It doesn't let me go to the next line. So whenever I will press enter, it will just print whatever is there on the screen. So if I want to comment something, I want to print something on the screen, which is multi-line. For that, we use the inverted commas, right? So for that, we'll write something like this. So echo, and I will write inverted commas, and then I will write hello, how are you, maybe, right? And now I want to write something, maybe I want to write I'm fine in the next line. So I will press enter. Now you can see when I pressed enter, it went to the next line. It didn't display on the screen right away, right? This is what it did. So I can write I'm fine and I can write something else like blah blah whatever in the next line or something else in the next line. And then when I'm done, I'm done writing the paragraph or whatever it is, I'm done writing all the lines, I will write inverted comma again. So I will close the inverted commas here. They started here and they will close here, and then I will press enter. So the whole paragraph of all the lines are displayed here. Right, so these are the two ways that echo works in. One without the inverted commas and the other with the inverted commas. So the first one is for displaying just a single line, while the next one, the one with the inverted commas, is used for displaying multi-line. Now you must have heard of printf. If you have worked in C language, you must have heard of printf. The printf command also works in terminal in Linux, right? So let's see what is the difference between printf and echo, right? So we just saw echo and let's write printf now. So printf and let's write hello world, right? Okay, so what difference do you see here? So the difference is clear. There are actually two differences. The first difference is printf only considered the string before the space, right? It didn't display world here, it just displayed hello. So when it encountered a space, it considered it as an ending point. So you can't use it to display a whole line. You can just use it to display a single word, right? Because it takes space as an ending point. This was the first difference. The second difference is that echo automatically inserts a new line at the end of the string. So I didn't enter a new line here, but it automatically shifted this username in the next line. So it entered a new line automatically here, but printf didn't do that. So in the case of printf, hello was printed, and you can see the username is written right next to my string, to the word hello, right? So it doesn't put the new line. So there were two differences. The first one is printf considers space as an ending point while echo doesn't. And the second difference is echo automatically enters \n or a new line at the end of the string while printf doesn't do that. So these are the two differences between echo and printf. Now let's learn another command known as who command. So who commands actually provide information about the users, right? And we will see two options for this command. So whenever we put a dash in Linux and after dash we put some keyword, some letter or something, this is actually what we call as providing options to this command. So we are providing the option h, and whenever we provide different options, we get different results, right? So let's see what do we get with this option h, right? So you can see this is my username. This is the username with which I'm currently logged in. And actually the who command provides you information about users which are currently logged in the system. This line is actually the name of your terminal, this terminal. And right now the name of our terminal is 0. And we will come to it later. We will see what do we mean by that. And this is the current time and so on. Let's see the other Linux who command. So that is who space and dash b. Press enter. And you can see the last booting time of your system. So whenever your system was booted last time, that time you can, date and time you can see here. Right, let's move on to the next command. So the next command is whoami command. So whenever I execute this command, I always remember that movie of Jackie Chan, Who Am I? I wonder if you've seen that or not. So this command actually provides the username. So whenever you want to get your username, your own username, you can use this command for that. Now, if you want to display the name of your terminal, you can use this command ty. This displays the name of your terminal. Actually, it displays the path of your terminal. So this is the path of this terminal which you have currently started, which you are using. And you can see this is dev pts and then 0, and we can actually look for it, right? So let's go to the file explorer and we will go in the others location, and here we will go in the computer and now look for the dev folder, right? This dev folder. So this was the path dev pts and then 0. So we have found the dev folder, and then now let's look for the pts folder. This is the pts folder, and here you can see this is your terminal actually. So this gty command, this actually provides you with the path of your terminal. So if you want to clear your screen, you can press clear command like this.